Okay, let me show you guys how I caught this beautiful trade right here on US30. I'm a swing trader, right? But I do day trade sometimes when I see nice opportunities, especially like this one. So let me show you how I caught this trade, guys. This was Friday's trade. Now it's Saturday morning. So I decided to shoot this video for you guys. Okay, let me show you guys. Let me wipe the chat. All right. So now I start from the daily, right? I just want to see where the market is going. Okay. All right. As we can see here, we had a break of structure here, right? On our daily time frame, we had a break of structure right here. Then what happened? Right over here, we got a market structure shift here. Right. So what do we expect? We expect price to go down. But now, let's see. Yes, nice. You see how price pushed up here aggressively, right? It left an imbalance here that has to be filled, right? It left an imbalance there. So now we're gonna go to our 4 hour, right? When we go to our 4 hour, you can see that imbalance there. So that imbalance has to be filled, as you can see, like here. Let me show you guys. Like here, there was an imbalance here. Price went up, then came down to fill this imbalance, then shoots right back up. Okay, so now we have this imbalance right here. We expect price to come here and then shoot, right? But obviously you don't know when price will return, right? You don't know when, and you don't have to guess like, okay, now this is a nice pullback, yeah, price is going to go back to my to the imbalance to fill it, what. No, go to your left hand side. You look for an order block or an FVG for you to know that, okay, price might bounce back from this FVG or this order block. So now when I go back to my left hand side, right, I can see we have an FVG here. Okay, we have an FVG. This zone right here is of our FVG, right? So I then saw a clear setup here. Like I was like, okay, since we in the FVG there, it means price might return. And I saw this nice sweep on the 4 hour candle, right? You see the sweep right here. I saw the sweep right here. That sweep. Then I was like, no man, this candle, let me show you guys this candle, this one that swept this one. You see this blue one, this blue long one, it is our 4 hour candle. It was swept by this other 4 hour candle and it closed below. After sweeping, it closed below. So I was like, okay, I can take this opportunity and trade within this range of this 4 hour candle. I can day trade now. I can steal something from the market. So what I did was to mark out. This is what I did. So I labeled this one right here as my candle range high, right? And then this one is my candle range low. Okay, remember, it's already confirmed that we're gonna go down a bit because of this fair value gap, right? That we tapped in and then we got a sweep. So we already have two confirmations that price will be going down a bit, right? We don't know until where, but we know it's going down, so we're gonna use that opportunity. Okay, right? So this is our candle range high, this is our candle range low. Fine. Then we go to our 5 minutes time frame. Okay, now this is where we apply the SMC strategy. Okay, then I did this. I saw a break of structure here. I saw a break of structure here. Right. Remember, guys, we're going down, right? We need to confirm. We don't just enter. We need to confirm. So this is how we confirm it, right? That was our break of structure, and then now we had our market structure shift as confirmation. Our market structure shift as confirmation. Now we know that, okay, we really are pushing downwards, but now you have to wait for price at this fair value gap right here, right? That's our fair value gap, right? So our stop loss is gonna be above here, above this high. See, I'm marking this one as I'm marking it with a red line there. So now this is what we're gonna do. You enter shorts from this fair value gap, right? And then you target the low of the candle, right? You target the low, and then stop loss, remember, above the red line. Then you target the candle range low below. That's how you catch a beautiful trade. You see, this is how I catch my trades when I'm day trading. This is how. Okay, yeah. And please, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Please. This is King RDTFX signing out.